On.
Hello everyone, I'm here in St. Louis with Josh, and he's just been in the Emerging Leaders class, Customer Focus. Josh, tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Joshua Kuehn. I work for Darwin Chambers Company. We build environmental chambers for all sorts of pharmaceutical and academia practices. We have about 90 employees. The company is about 22 years old. We've just been growing steadily.
That's awesome.
And just got into the Vistage group. Today I had Papa Dale instructing me on communications, finances, and how to target customers appropriately for different benefits.
So were you talking specifically about why customers buy or the 80-20? Or both?
Both, definitely. Yeah.
Okay, so the why customer buy is building taglines to reinforce with customers why they're buying from you. And the 80-20 is 20% of your customers give you 80% of your revenue. And so digesting how you can turn that into double revenue or whatever the case may be. And I just want to explain to you, I've been a Vistage chair for 8 years. I have spoken to about 10,000 Vistage members 530 times across the country. And Vistage is the most important decision you as a person and an executive can do. It'll help you personally, it'll help you in business. As a chair, my group had a 5 to 10x in value while they're a part of Vistage. So wherever you are, find a Vistage group and join. That's our message today. You have a wonderful 2026.